No! I don't want the shot! I have to run away now.
It is too scary.
I want to go home. Max, come here, sweetie.
Max, look at this paper. You have a shot today.
A shot? No way! I am super strong. No problem for me.
Max, are you scared?
Scared? Me? Never, Mom.
I am totally fine today. Look, I am the fastest eater.
Slow down, Max. Chew your food.
No time, Mom. I am super strong. 1, 2, 3, all done!
Wow, that was really fast.
Max, get ready. We leave soon.
I don't have time, Dad. I need to play first.
The appointment is at 10, Max.
Max, this box is stuck.
Don't worry. I am super strong. Watch me. 1, 2, 3. Ouch! That hurt my hand.
Are you okay, Max?
I am fine. No problem for me.
Max, you look a little pale.
I am super strong. Really, Mom? I take vitamins every day, Mom. Vitamins are like invisible shots.
That is not how shots work, Max.
Well, maybe. But I am still strong.
Okay, everyone, time to go.
Wait! I need to change my shoes.
Max? Where did you go?
I am not here.
Max, you are in the closet.
Shh. Don't tell Mom, okay?
But Max, we have to go. Please, Ellie. Just this once. I don't like this secret.
Max? Where are you, buddy?
He is playing hide and seek.
Hide and seek? Right now?
Yes. Almost done, Dad. Max, hiding is not brave.
That is not brave. That is hiding. I don't want to go. I don't want the shot to hurt.
Mom always helps when we are scared.
I am ready, Mom.
Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, I am not scared at all.
Oh, Max, please tell the truth. Mom, wait. I have to say something. I am scared of the shot.
I did not want to tell you.
Oh, Max. My sweet boy. Why didn't you tell me sooner?
I thought I had to be strong.
I thought strong means no fear.
Being brave means telling the truth. It's okay to feel scared, Max.
I am proud of you, Max.
Thank you, Ellie. I am sorry.
We are right here with you.
Let's go together, okay?
Okay. I will try to be brave.
I am glad you told the truth, Max. I feel lighter now.
Look, Max, we are at the clinic.
We are here with you, Max.
I see the doctor with the tray.
I don't want to go in.
It's okay, Max. Let's go inside.
Hello, Max. My name is Foster.
It's nice to meet you, Max.
How are you feeling today, Max?
I am a little nervous, Foster.
Let's hop up here for me, Max.
No! I don't want the shot! I have to run away now.
It is too scary.
I want to go home. Max, come here, sweetie.
Max, I found you, buddy. It's okay to feel scared, Max.
We are right here with you. You don't have to be alone.
I am really scared of the shot.
I was scared too, one time. But Mom held my hand the whole time.
Lots of kids feel scared, Max. The shot helps your body stay strong.
It is quick, just a little pinch.
I believe in you, Max. Can you stay close to me, Mom?
I will hold your hand.
Okay, I will try again.
That's my brave boy.
Welcome back, Max. Ready to try?
I am a little scared still.
Max, put this cape on. It makes you a brave superhero.
Wow, I am a superhero now.
Are you going to hurt me?
No scary tools, just some quick magic. Watch, I will show you first. See? The needle is very small.
Okay, I will try to be brave.
I am holding your hand, Max.
I am ready for the magic.
1, 2, 3, all done!
Wait, is it over already? It didn't hurt at all!
Great job, Max. You did it.
We are so proud of you.
You did it, Max! Hooray!
Here is a badge for you. This badge is for brave kids.
A gold star! Thank you, Foster.
You are my hero, Max.
Can Ellie get a badge too?
Ellie helped a lot today. Here you go.
Thank you. I love my badge.
Mom, I am sorry I ran away. I am sorry, Ellie, for scaring you.
It's okay. I forgive you, Max.
We forgive you. You were very brave.
Shots keep your body safe and strong. They are not as scary as you think.
I understand now, Foster. Thank you.
Next time, tell us if you are scared. Being brave means telling the truth.
I promise I will always tell you, even when I feel scared inside.
Goodbye, Max. You are a true hero.
Goodbye, Foster. Thank you for everything.
I am glad you are okay, Max.
Me too. I feel so proud now.
Let's celebrate with your favorite snack.
Yay! Thank you, Mom!
Remember, shots help keep you healthy, and always be honest about your feelings.
I will remember that, Dad. I promise.
I am proud of you, big brother.
Thank you, Ellie. I love you. I love you too, Max.